Once upon a time, in a distant world beyond our sight, there was a realm teeming with astonishing wildlife. In this world, extinct animals lived in various places, each with a unique story of their strength and vulnerability. Among these animals was the woolly mammoth, a colossal beast covered in thick fur to protect it from the cold of the Ice Age. The mammoth lived in frigid, marshy regions and was adept at adapting to harsh conditions. However, over time, the Earth began to warm, and the vast areas of ice where it lived started to shrink. Additionally, humans began hunting mammoths intensively, using all their skills to hunt them for food and resources. As hunting increased and its habitat diminished, the woolly mammoth eventually became extinct. Then there was the Diplodocus, a giant dinosaur that lived in the late Jurassic period. Known for its long neck and enormous body, it roamed areas filled with plants. However, as climate changes led to a decline in vegetation and volcanic activity altered the environment, the food sources for the Diplodocus dwindled. Additionally, competition with other dinosaurs for resources further strained its survival. Eventually, these changes led to the Diplodocus's extinction. In other parts of the world, there was the dodo bird, a flightless bird that lived on the island of Mauritius. The dodo led a peaceful life without fear of predators, as there were none on the island. However, when Europeans arrived, they brought with them animals such as rats and pigs, which began eating the dodo's eggs and competing for food. Moreover, hunters targeted the dodo for its meat. With these new pressures, the dodo bird gradually went extinct. Among the many extinct animals, each one, whether it was a mammoth, a dinosaur, or a bird, lived in its time and impacted the environment around it. But environmental changes, hunting, and human interference led to their extinction. The stories of these extinct animals remind us of the importance of preserving the environment and maintaining ecological balance to ensure the survival of biodiversity for future generations. In ancient times, there was a giant crocodile known as Deinosuchus, which lived in large rivers and lakes. This crocodile was one of the largest reptiles ever to walk the earth, reaching lengths of over 10 meters. It fed on large fish, frogs, and even small mammals living in the water. Over time, climate changes led to a reduction in the water sources it depended on, adversely affecting its food supply and habitat. Additionally, human activities, such as hunting and agricultural expansion, led to water pollution and habitat destruction. In the end, Deinosuchus lost its ability to survive in the changing environment and became extinct. The buffalo ray, a type of large mammal, lived in the forested areas of North America. It was characterized by its large horns, which helped it defend against predators. Initially, the natural environment supported it, with dense forests providing food and protection. However, with the arrival of humans, large-scale deforestation occurred to expand agricultural areas, destroying its natural habitat. Additionally, excessive hunting for its meat and horns contributed to its decline. Over time, the buffalo ray vanished from the wild. On the Pacific Islands, there lived small reptiles known as geckos. These non-flying reptiles lived in trees and were known for their bright colors. They relied on their surrounding environment, which was rich in plants and insects. However, when humans arrived on the islands, they brought animals like rats and cats that began to eat the gecko eggs and young. Furthermore, deforestation for agricultural expansion impacted their habitat. Due to these rapid and unexpected changes, the geckos became extinct.